Good morning from Seminyak, Bali. Today, if you ask me about the weather conditions, usually it's raining currently because it's middle of the rain season in Bali, especially end of November, beginning of December. It's gonna be raining. Was raining last night and 2 nights ago. However, morning is very beautiful. And on today's occasion and today's video, I'm in Kayu street in Seminyak, aka Eat Street, and I'm gonna tell you why the Seminyak is probably the best choice of area in Bali so far right now in 2022. Check this out, the Sister Fields restaurant is so busy this morning, unbelievable. So many happy tourists and expats enjoying their breakfast in Seminyak. And of course, except the Sister Fields, you can find the Bossman, great place for the burgers, Monsieur Spoon, another great place for the breakfast, some boutiques, and even Seminyak village shopping mall here. And that's the proof as so many happy tourists, full the families walking here on Seminyak streets. So if you are not really into Kuta, because Kuta is not for everyone, Legian is not for everyone, Canggu obviously is not for everyone, Sanur is not for everyone because it's more likely for the expats and it's too quiet. Ubud is also not for everyone because you may don't like a yoga or something. Kuta is too busy and too noisy. Seminyak is on the middle, centrally located, and have little bit of everything from every other area of Bali together. So this is the corner where is the mall. If you go into direction of this street, you can find Kudeta Beach Club and some 5-star luxury hotels, and of course so many boutiques. We're gonna focus now on this street, which is Kayu Street, aka Eat Street. Simply to don't make it too complicated and too long to watch for you, why Seminyak is probably the best place to be in Bali right now, because having a little bit of everything. You wanna find a nice cafe, Western cafe, for having a breakfast or dinner, you can find this in Seminyak. You wanna find the local food, you're gonna find this in Seminyak as well. You wanna find the mall, what we have in Kuta, for example, you're gonna find in Seminyak as well. Indeed, where I showed you at the beginning of the video. If you wanna find the Ubud vibe with so many nice restaurants and everything, you can find here. Okay, maybe except the, the yoga and stuff. If you wanna find the beach bars in the Seminyak beach, like in Kuta or Legian, they have it. If you wanna find the beach clubs, like in Canggu, we have it here in Seminyak. It's Kudeta, for example, or Potato Head. If you wanna find the luxury hotels, you can find this here in Seminyak. If you wanna find the budget homestays, also you can find this. If you wanna have a Sanur vibe with the expat vibe with the villas, also they have it here in Seminyak. So everything is actually in Seminyak and is centrally located. That's why probably many people, especially tourists who are coming to Bali, but also expats, choosing Seminyak to stay and to be. Good thing about Seminyak is that as you can do everything, go almost everywhere here in the walking distance or very short taxi ride. And Bluebirds and other taxis are fully available here in Seminyak. Like for example, you're not gonna find the Bluebird taxis in Ubud because there's not possible. The same is with Canggu. Again, the Seminyak is winning. Yo, what's up? The taxi is honking already. You wanna find the massage like this one, like popular in Kuta and Legian, they also have it here in Seminyak. You wanna find so many fancy boutiques like this one, the Lagoon, also they have it in Seminyak, like in other parts of Bali. But also what is good thing, Seminyak is located about 1 hour drive, maybe when it's traffic jam, from the airport, which is also very close and very affordable. Basically, everything you can find here in Seminyak, which makes the location very strategic. That's why so many tourists actually coming here. Even it's 9:30 at morning, it's actually not that bad. It's kinda busy today. Also was raining previously about 7 o'clock at morning today. You can find actually so many hotels like this one connected with the restaurants, like Saladin, for example. Taxi drivers are everywhere. Of course, the sounds of construction also everywhere. Some boutiques, some other shops. Everything is actually here in Seminyak. Even the famous tourist boxes, what selling your SIM cards, or I don't know, tourist trips, everything is here. Ultimo restaurant is here. And as you can see, actually tourists are already at morning also here in Seminyak, which is very nice to see. Bamboo Blonde, this is nice place for the dresses. And even they have a pharmacy, literally everything is here. Looking for the high-end massage, And spa also here in Seminyak they have it. Looking for the chachu also here in Seminyak they have it. Everything actually is here. And maybe I forgot about the sports bar and gastropubs. Don't worry, Seminyak got you covered. They have it here as well. The same like in Kuta or in Legian, seafood restaurant, barbecue. Also they have it here. Yo! Everything is here. Seminyak got you covered. No matter what you want, you're gonna find. You wanna looking for the bars, where they are open till late night for the nightlife. They have it here. La Favela, famous La Favela. If you don't like La Favela, you can go to the Champagne Lounge, red carpet here. Everything is in Seminyak, guys. Or maybe you miss the traffic, the situation, and so many motorbikes driving on every direction. Don't worry, Seminyak have it also. It's just morning. Come here at 10 p.m. You will stuck in the traffic like anywhere elsewhere in Bali. Or maybe you are interested into souvenir shops and clothes shop, what are popular everywhere elsewhere in Bali. Don't you worry, Seminyak have it as well. Even the bottle opener, the same like in Ubud, and the boards, and the sandals, and the basketball shells, and the fake Louis V. Everything is here in Seminyak. Yo, what's up? Everything. No worry about that, guys. And even happy tourists walking around already at morning. It's 9:45, middle of the week. Here we go. Also deep inside you can find so many like villas and houses and all of this stuff. So don't worry, guys, Seminyak have it all. There will be also the future home of Los Gringos Bali Mexican Tequileria. Nice, nice, nice indeed. These boys probably will enjoy it. Let me know if you would like to enjoy here as well. This place was actually postponed, the construction for the whole pandemic, but they have a huge piece of land and well, open April 2023. Seems like they just started construction, but I believe they will finish. Because this owner's actually opening so many bars everywhere around Seminyak actually. The boys decide to having a morning massage. You want to? Well, everything is possible in Seminyak, guys. Just buy the ticket, come to Bali, come to Seminyak and enjoy it. Alright, just making videos, strolling around the Seminyak, saying Seminyak is probably a good place for you. And here we go, I met our fans from where?
Australia.
Australia! Here we go again. Enjoying Bali?
Yeah, of course. Every time.
Every time. How long in Bali?
1 month so far.
1 month
Yeah.
so far. Unbelievable.
Yeah, we noticed our friends, just thought we'd say hello. And
That's
that's
good.
about it.
Alright, cheers.
Get around, support his channel. He's a good man.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Seems like another great place for the morning breakfast here in Seminyak 8th Street, Kayu Street. So guys, let me know, Seminyak is good for you. Would you consider to stay in Seminyak? Maybe you are staying in Seminyak on every your trip to Bali. Or maybe you usually staying in different parts of Bali. But would you like to consider to come to Seminyak eventually after watching my videos? Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget about the like, commenting, subscribing if you haven't yet. Trying to grow this channel as much as possible. Making this video every single day makes a lot of effort for me actually. Time, energy. I would really appreciate little support from you. Also guys, don't worry about the weather too much. Even it's raining in Bali, it's raining only for 1-2 hours or so. Usually late afternoon or early morning, like 7-8 o'clock at morning will finish. And in Bali it's still very hot. Look at my forehead, I'm sweating like so much only working half hour in Seminyak. So don't you worry about that. Yo, what's up? Meanwhile, thank you so much for listening. Construction is everywhere in Seminyak. Bali is bouncing back, recovering. Happy tourists are at the front of me. As you can see, I will see you tomorrow. See ya.